With over 100 acres of green space and beautiful 40 and 45-foot single detached homes, what's not to love about the Valley in Woodbridge, located at Clarence and Rutherford Road. Remington Homes at the Valley in Woodbridge has some beautiful lots, 40 and 45 options to choose from, backing onto green space. You'll love what they have to offer. At the Valley Woodbridge, Marycroft Homes builds a property that you and your family are going to love for years to come, featuring 2,300 to 4,300 square feet in size, something you'll be able to grow into. Personalize your home at the Valley Woodbridge with unique interior and exterior options, as well as you'll receive an automated package that will keep your home safe and secure for your family. I'm Andrew Mazzoni, and if you're interested in exclusive access to the Valley Woodbridge, contact me for all the details.